Hello viewers, you are all welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by once again. I really appreciate you for being here. If this is your first time of coming in contact with this face, my name is Brother Chima Marta, and on this channel we share spiritual tips and recipes using the power of the earth, the power of God, and the power of the universe. And as part of it is what I bring to your view this afternoon. And as you can see on the channel, we have shared a lot of video in the past. And if this is your first time of joining us, please do me a favor by subscribing to the red button down below this video by your right hand side. Turn the notification bell to all so that whenever I post a video like this, you will be notified. Give me a thumbs up on my video and comment on the comment section. And as you do so, may God bless you. And today, power part information or spiritual tips that I bring to your view, I know that is going to help a lot of people, both those that are watching me on here and those that are going to watch me later. It is all about cleansing yourself, cleansing your spiritual mind. We cannot be tired of cleaning ourselves, because when you clean yourself spiritually, you are sure to attract good things. Yes, you can't get tired of cleansing yourself. As long as you keep cleansing yourself, you see the road keep opening for you. You see yourself keep receiving favor for people. You see yourself moving from glory to glory. So on today's spiritual tips, we are going to be using an item in order to cleanse ourselves. And that particular item is very easy to find. You can order it online or you can get it in the market. I'm not talking about no other item than alum or alum. Alum, yes, it is called alum. This is alum. You know what alum is all about. For those of you who doesn't know what alum is all about, we can use alum to clean a dirty water, to cleanse a dirty water. The water we bring from the well, the water we bring from the ocean, or any dirty water. If any water is dirty and you want to get the neat water out of the dirty water, you are going to use alum. In the olden days, and the alum is going to separate the dirty water and the neat water for you. But on today's spiritual tips, we are going to be using this alum for spiritual baths. Yes, since alum stands as an object for cleansing, we are going to harness the frequency and vibration of the power of alum spiritually in order to drive away every negativities in our life. Let me give you an example if you are watching me on here. For those of you who are businesswomen and men who has their shop, who sell in various markets. If you are watching me here now, for sometimes your customers that used to patronize you has been leaving you and be patronizing another person. I want you to know that it's not ordinary. A spell has been cast upon you. There is a bewitchment in your environment that has made those people to left you behind and be patronizing your neighbors. It is not ordinary. But by doing this particular bath, I am talking about with alum, you can be doing this 2 times in a month. You will see how things will turn around for your own good. You are a sister watching me here, you have been in that relationship for 3 years, 4 years. All of a sudden, your man develop hatred and the relationship is about to come to an end. Relax, don't touch that dime. Make sure you watch this video to an end. Yes. And you will see, after taking this bath, that your relationship, that your man will come back to you. That your woman will come back to you. You are a woman here. You are a food seller. You used to sell food. And when you are dreaming about serving people food. And when you go to your marketplace, whatsoever you cook, you don't make sales that day. You cannot sell it finished. There is a witchcraft activities around your business. But after listening to me on here and doing this particular recipe, you are going to be liberated. Things is going to come back to normal. Your customers are going to come back to patronize you. Yes. Because alum has a lot of spiritual energies. It drives away negativities. It drives away evil. It drives away everything that is not clean. It drives it away from your environment. How are you going to use alum for your spiritual bath in order for things to start working in your favor? Now listen and listen very good. It is time for me to let the cat out of the bag. Don't come and be asking me, you say this, I didn't understand. You get the alum, get 1 bucket of water before you go to bed. You have to do this. You have to prepare this before going to bed, because this particular bath, you are going to take it early in the morning before going out to your business places or to your offices. If you are here, your people has forgotten you, people doesn't remember you, your friends doesn't remember you, those that used to favor you, they have forgotten all about you. Please do this particular spiritual bath and you will see things is going to turn around. I am not exaggerating. I need 7 people that can do this. And within 2 weeks, you are going to give me a testimony. This is not fetish. Anybody can do it, both Christian, both Muslim, both Hindus, both Sangoma, both Voodoos. You can do this. Nobody is essential. And it is tested and trusted. Get a bucket of water. Get a stone of alum. Throw it inside the bucket of the water. Call your name 7 times. And use your middle finger to turn the water around. Turn it with speed. Turn the water around for like 5 minutes. After that, speak whatsoever you want. How you want your business to be. How you want your future to be. How you want your relationship to be. How you want your office work to be. If you are looking for a job, if you want a promotion, say it inside that water. And allow the water to settle down for an hour. After an hour, pick up the alum. Bring it out and keep the water in a safe place. You are going to take this bath early morning by 4 a.m. to 5 dot. 4 a.m. to 5. That is when you are going to take this bath. And after taking this bath, you must not scrub your body with your towel. And you must not take any other bath for that whole day. Yes. You are going to keep the water till the next morning. And 4 a.m. you bring the water and you use it to take your bath. As you are bathing, call back your glory. Call back your relationship. Call back your customers. Call back your friends. Those that has forgotten you, for them to remember you. Use this particular water and take your bath. And after taking your bath, you will see wonders. Those customers that has left you, that has stopped patronizing you, they will come back within 48 hours to start patronizing you. I am not exaggerating. This is tested and trusted. You can be doing this twice in a month, particularly those of you who are businessmen and women on here that are watching me here, and those that are going to watch me later on when I'm done doing this video. And please, if you are never subscribed to this channel, do me a favor by subscribing to the red button, down below this video by your right hand side. Turn the notification bell to all so that you'll be notified when I post a video. Give me a thumbs up and comment on the comment section. And God bless you. If there's anything you don't understand I say on here, feel free to communicate with me. I am open to communication. My number is +234 7088 136610. That is my number. And my name still remains Brother Chima Marta. God bless you till we meet again in my next video.